Hello everyone. Today I will explain you exercise 8.2 how to convert your fractional or decimal number into percentage. Okay. Your first question is convert the fractional number into percent and second is decimal number into percent. Only one thing that you have to keep in mind whenever you convert your any digit into percent, multiply it by 100. To convert into fraction, I will multiply the quotient by 100 and this decimal number also by 100. Okay, how we will solve? My question is 1 upon 8. Convert 1 upon 8 into percentage. So what I will do? 1 upon 8 to convert into percentage, I will multiply it by 100. Then I will reduce it into simplest form. 4 2s are 8 and 425 is the 100. I have cut 108 both the values by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 425 is the 100. Now what is remaining? 25 upon 2. This 25 upon 2 can be written into percentage. So how I will write into percentage? I will write in mixed fraction. Okay, 2 12s are 24. Remainder 1 upon 2 and here I will put percentage sign. Whenever you convert anything into percentage, it is compulsory to write its unit. Again 5 upon 4, this is very easy, you will get direct answer. 5 upon 4 to convert into percentage, I have multiplied it by 100. 4 1s are 4 and 425 are 100. 5 multiplied by 25. 25 5s are 125%. This is answer. 0.65 to convert into percentage, I will multiply it by 100. Okay. Remove this decimal. So you will get in denominator 100 because after decimal 2 values are there. 100 to 100 cut. What is remaining? 65. First step, in second step you will get your answer. 65% is your answer. Here also same. 2.1 to convert into percentage, multiply by 100. I will remove this decimal and write here 10. Why? After decimal only one value is there. So I will put 10. 10 to 10 cut. Now what is remaining? 21 multiplied by 10. So it will become 210%. Same way, 0.02 multiply by 100 to convert into percentage, and when I will remove this decimal, I will get 100 in denominator because after decimal 2 values are there. So 2 zeros. 100 to 100 cut. What is remaining? 2. So your answer is 2%. Okay. Now third question is you have to find what is 15% of 250. Suppose if you have 250 rupees in your pocket and I ask to give 15% of this. So how much money will you give? So how to solve this? Now already percent sign is there. So I will remove this percent sign and write in denominator 100. Of is multiplication upon 250. Now reduce this. 0 to 0 cut. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 15 5s are 75, 75 upon 2, 15 5s are 75 upon 2, 75 upon 2, I will convert this into decimal, okay, 2 3s are 6, I am dividing this, 2 7s are 40 and 2 5s are 10, 37.5 or you can write 37 and half. This is also right and this is also right. You can write like this also. Now 1% of 1 hour. Okay, 1% of 1 hour. Okay, can you solve this? What I will do to find the exact answer, I will convert this into seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. from hour to second, you have 260s, means 1 hour is equal to 60 multiplied by 60. You will get 3600 seconds. Okay, so I have converted this 1 hour into seconds. So in place of 1 hour, I will write 3600 seconds. Okay, 1 upon 100. I will remove this percent and written here 100. Now this 20 to 20 cut. What is remaining? 1 multiplied by 36. So 36 second is your answer. Here in this question any unit was not given, so I have written direct answer. Here we have find the unit, converted hours into seconds. So in answer you will write this seconds also. This is compulsory to write. Okay.